Hi everyone, we've just announced our 2026 planner lineup. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Magnet Weekly vertical layout and show you how to use it. We put real thought into refining the weekly vertical layout, focusing more on the timelines. After all, the vertical planning is all about moving through your day by the hour. So we want to make sure your day flows naturally, just the way you move through it. The numbers now sit closer to the timeline, putting extra emphasis on your daily rhythm. We also added a mini monthly calendar in the top left corner, so you always have a quick sense of where you are in the month. And as always, darker grid lines for better clarity. This layout is perfect for structured time blocking. And yes, it's sized to fit your favorite sticker kits perfectly. There are a couple of little tricks that make filling in your days on the weekly vertical layout feel more functional and intentional, depending on the time your day starts and ends. The majority of your writing will either stay more on the top or at the bottom. For early risers, your day may start sharp at 6 a.m., and for night owls, you may have a huge empty space on the top of your bars. Wherever the bigger space stands, I recommend doing your to-do list or daily gratification there. Of course, you can always block out these spaces with your beautiful washi stickers or just leaving them blank. I personally find a mini daily to-do list super helpful in navigating through the day with a sense of priority. Another classic way to plan your weekly vertical layout is time blocking. Grab your favorite highlighters and block out different sections of your day. So for example, here I use green for my exercise time, and I have pink to section out the majority of my working time, and then I have brown for my personal time. I love navigating my day this way because it gives me a clear picture of how much time I actually have for each task. Oftentimes, it strikes me to be mentally prepared that I have to hustle really fast through my day, or that I just simply don't have enough time and I'll have to shift some tasks to the next day. Plus, assigning different colors to different tasks really help me spot patterns throughout the week. And last but not least, time blocking makes my spread look ultra clear and honestly pretty beautiful too. The weekly vertical planner is a fun way to plan with a strong sense of time. By placing your tasks exactly where they belong in your day, it helps you navigate your week with confidence and get more done.